Alright, synthetic division. What you do is you set this x minus 3 equal to 0, and you get x equals 3. This goes in your box, and then you take your coefficients, 6, negative 25, 18, and 9, and you put them across the top. 25, 18, and 9. Now, this has to count down. If you look at your exponents, they have to count down. 3, 2, 1, 0. If you're missing one, you have to fill it in with a 0. Alright, we're going to drop our 6. Then you're going to multiply. 6 times 3 is 18. Then you're going to add straight down. Negative 25 plus 18 is negative 7. Multiply negative 7 times 3 is negative 21. Add straight down. 18 minus 21 is negative 3. Negative 3 times 3 is a negative 9. Add straight down and you get 0. This is your remainder. This one has no remainder, so it goes in evenly. And then what you do is you say this is x cubed, so you drop 1 from that. That makes x squared, and you fill it in. Just count down. So my answer is 6x squared minus 7x minus 3. You should have done this in Algebra 2, so it shouldn't be that bad. We'll go ahead and do another one. So if I set this equal to 0, I'm going to get x equals negative 6. That's going to go in my box. And check to see if I have everything. I have 3, 2, 1, 0. So it's 1, 7, 4, negative 12. 1 times negative 6 is negative 6. 7 plus negative 6 is 1. 1 times negative 6 is negative 6. That's negative 2 times negative 6 is 12. This one also has no remainder. So this is an x cubed, so my answer would be 1x squared plus 1x minus 2. This one, if I set that equal to 0, 2x equals 4, x equals 2, 6, negative 2, negative 16, negative 8. Now all these had every term, but if I was missing a term, I would add it in with a 0. 6 times 2 is 12, negative 2 plus 12 is 10, 10 plus 2 is, 10 times 2 is 20. Oh, I better double check myself. Okay, that's 4, 4 times 2 is 8, this one had no remainder either. 6x squared minus 2, what, hold on, let me just write them in. X squared plus, so 6x squared plus 10x plus 4. Okay, then synthetic substitution, the only difference here is they've given you the number. Basically, if I plug this 4 in everywhere there's an x, I'm going to get the same answer as if I put my 4 here and I do 1, 2, negative 8, and 5, and I drop it. 1 times 4 is 4, 2 plus 4 is 6, times 4 is 24, plus negative 8 is 16, times 4 is 80, 85? Is that right? 1 times 4 is 4, 6 times 4 is 24. Yeah, so that's my answer, 85. Alright, do the same thing. Negative 3, be 1, negative 2, negative 15, negative 7. 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. That'll be negative 5 times negative 3 is 15. That's 0 times negative 3 is 0. And my answer is negative 7. Yep. Alright. And the last one, it says factor each polynomial completely using the given factor and synthetic division. I'm going to start out just like I was. I'll do negative 6. And I'm going to go into, that's 1, 7, 4, negative 12. I counted 3, 2, 1, 0. I got everything. I'm good. So that's 1 times negative 6 is negative 6. 7 plus negative 6 is 1 times negative 6 is negative 6. 4 plus negative 6 is negative 2 times negative 6 is positive 12. I have a remainder of 0. So that means this is a factor. This is a 3, so it's going to go x squared plus x minus 2. Now it asks me to factor it completely. That means whatever I get as my answer, I factor it. So I'm going to say what multiplies to give me negative 2 and adds to give me positive 1. That'll be x plus 2 and x minus 1. So my factor, my answer is going to be x plus 2, x minus 1, and this x minus 6 from here. And that's me factoring this. If you multiply all three of these out, you'll get this answer right here. Let's do another one. This one, I had x equals 2. If I solve that out, I get 2. So that's 6, negative 2, negative 16, negative 8. 6 times 2 is 12. 10 times 2 is 20. Negative 16 plus 20 is 4. Times 2 is 8, so that's 0. So I've got 6x squared plus 10x plus 4. I'm going to factor this. I could pull a 2 out and make my life easier. It'd be 3x squared plus 5x plus 2. So 3 times 2 is 6x squared. My middle term is 5x. 3 and 2. So 3x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 2. Group. I can take out a 3x. X plus 1 plus 2. X plus 1. So that factors into 3x plus 2 and x plus 1. I just bring down my 2x minus 4 and my 2. And there's my answer. I think that's it. There might be one. Nope, that's it. Alright, the end. Try to do your homework.